Hey, what's going on guys, this is Kedar here. So I was trying to use my PlayStation 4 and I'm getting this error. Error code is Np-34958-9. So all my content, all my games are locked up with this error, whatever I try to do. And whenever I try to activate my PS4 as a primary PS4, it won't let me do that. It simply throws me the error Np-34958-9. In fact, the error gives all the detailed procedure how to activate PS4 as a primary PS4, but doing that it throws you the error code. I checked out the Ask PlayStation Twitter official page, but they are kind of quiet on this matter. They don't know anything about it. PlayStation Twitter official page has no update regarding it, which is quite unfortunate. They have got latest game developments and all that, but nothing regarding this major issue. But we have a great community and people have found out the solution, and here is the fix. To fix this error, you need to go to the PS4 settings, then select the network tab, and now you need to choose the setup internet connection. Depending on what kind of internet connection, let's say if you are using Wi-Fi or LAN or Ethernet, choose whatever option you are using right now. So if you are using LAN, select LAN, and then what you need to do is you will be asked to select an IP address settings. For that, you need to choose custom options because we will be going to set some of the custom IP parameters. Now for the DHCP host name, the next option do not specify, select this option, and next one for the DNS settings, you need to choose the manual option because we'll be going to change the DNS into our PS4. You can set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS to this one 1.0.0.1. Now here is the thing, there are many people reporting that these DNS isn't all around solution. So here is the thing, you can try out the different DNS like Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, other DNS, but let me show you the fastest DNS for your particular region, how you can find it out. Typically 1.1.1.1, which DNS is working. Cloudflare DNS is the fastest DNS as per dnspurb.com. Cloudflare is the fastest DNS, but if you want to find the fastest DNS for your network and region, you can use Namebench, download it on your Windows and just test it. It will do automatic benchmark and give you the results. You can set the results for your particular network. GRC's DNS benchmark is the fastest solution. I think this one is the most easy and quick solution. Just one click and it will give you all the best DNS in your particular network. Also you can try DNS Jumper, and here is a list of DNS which works out for most of the PlayStation 4 in most of the regions. So you can try Cloudflare, Google DNS, or probably try OpenDNS. There are many people saying that this fix is not working, and here is the reason. You need to try switch out your DNS to see which one works for you. And do let me know in the comments down below which DNS is working, so people right here into the community can know which DNS is working. And guys, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.